Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, welcome to the Adsense. In this video I'm gonna share with you how you can load your website. This is the first part of the course. So this is the introduction of the course, and here I will share with you the tips and the tricks you are needed to follow before you load your website. So these tips and tricks, we shall stay one by one. We should look at it one by one. So before I cross and start the video and the tips and the tricks that I'm going to share with you right now, please, if you are one of the people staying with us already, please support this video by clicking the like button. And also, if you are new to us, please make sure that one of the most things that we talk is how to earn money from Adsense and also from whole platforms. So if you are new to us, please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for more updates coming from our channel. Without delaying my time, let's get started. So this is the rules that we are needed. As you see here, we shall see each one. So the rules we are needed before we load our website is: one, at least you have to have at least 100 organic traffic. So do you have organic traffic for your website? At that time you can load your website. So when you have 100 organic traffic, at that time it is okay. So the next one is you have to increase only the page views. So when we are loading our website, we do not click any ads. So we should see this point, it will come as, because increase only the page views. You increase only the page views in order your website or your traffic not be detected. So if you click more ads, it means that we should be detected. So the next step is don't click any ads. When we are loading our website, we are not going to click any ads, because if you click ads, AdSense will detect you, and AdSense will make a research about your traffic, so where your traffic is coming from. So please don't click any ads while we are in this loading method. Only we increase the page views, and by day we are going to earn $5, $6 and also $10 by increasing the page views. So the next step is don't use each Chrome profile more than 200 page views. Maybe this point says we have not to use 200 and we have not used more than 200 page views each profile. So profile, we should see how to create a profile while we are using Go Login. So we shall see the next video will come as soon as possible. So you have to watch the next video. It is ready. So the next point is behave like a human. When you are going to increase your page views, please you should behave like a human. What do I mean this? So you have to scroll your pages. You have to scroll your pages only loudly. Yes, not highly. Load, scroll down and up by behaving like a human. So the last step is check your location and date. You have to check your location, and also you have to check the location and the date of your website and of your laptop or computer. So also here, let us see the tools we are needed. So the tools we are needed, I'm going to allow this video to be an introduction and also to be a short one. So the tools we are needed is you have to download at the first time the tool which is called Go Login. So the next course we should use another software, but right now we have to use Go Login. So you have to download Go Login, and how to download Go Login and how to access everything we shall see the next video. So if you didn't watch the next video, please you can get the next video in the description of this video. So the last step is what we are needed. The tools we are needed is you have to buy a proxy. Maybe this point can be difficult to you, so there's another thing. Use a free proxy. We can use a free proxy, and in this course I will show you step by step while I am using a free proxy without not purchasing or buying any proxy. So this is the last step. So guys, I'm going to conclude this video without not elongating this video. You have to give support this video. If you see that this video is helpful, please give it a support and also share with your other friends in order to increase their AdSense revenue. So without not delaying my time,